Yo, welcome to the vid. Happy Thursday. I am up, showered, and ready to go to the office. This is my roommate's plant that I was trying to take care of. I was going to water it, but noticed that it was still wet from last time it was watered, and it feels too wet. I hope it's okay. I don't know. I offered to help him repot it, and he said no, so it just doesn't look as good as it used to. I think I'm not doing great with it. Anyway, I did some plant stuff this morning, watered the remaining plants that I didn't do yesterday, except the ones out here. These ones got to be taken care of. That's a later today project. I don't know what else I can add. Just another day. Going to the office, we're gonna unpack some stuff from the ball, from the gala. The end of the month is also approaching, so I have more apartment units to clean and newsletters to write. I really don't like the end of the month. All right, let's go get some work done. Back from a work happy hour. We did like a little gala happy hour celebration thing, and it was fun. Now I'm home. It's about 6 o'clock, and I think Binky wants to cuddle a little bit. So we're gonna lay down for a little. And then jury's still out if I go skating or not tonight. It's Thursday, it's not my typical skate night. Usually I skate on Tuesdays, but now we're moving Nordley meetings to Tuesdays. So maybe Thursdays? I don't know, we'll see. I got about an hour until I gotta decide, so let's just hang out with the kitty cat for a little bit. Me and Binky had a short little nap. It is now 7:30 and I am going to go roller skating. I haven't been roller skating in like 2 weeks and I feel like I'm not getting any exercise. So I need to go move my body. We're gonna go roller skate. It's Thursday. Just leaving to go skating and I just noticed this nest. There's a bird in it. I don't know how long it's been there, but I just noticed it. Get out. Oh, sorry. Oh, I scared it away. I'm sorry, you can go hang out with your, I'm guessing eggs. Here, let's check it out. Are eggs in there? There are. Check it out, there's two, kind of look like robin eggs. I didn't see the bird that flew away though. Cool. I guess I'll just let them sit there and watch them hatch later this spring. All right, now we can go skate. Back from skating, it was good. I was by myself, which is less fun, but then again, I didn't really ask anyone to go with me. My roommate's out of town. We usually go together. John is sick with COVID. We've gone together. I didn't ask Eric or Felix or Aaron or Elizabeth. I just went. It was good though. And I got back home and I've been watching like skating videos for the last hour. We're gonna learn some new moves, Bink. But I'm tired. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow, I don't think I'm working. Well, I've got many jobs, so I'll probably work one job, but I'm not going to the office. Most of the office is taking tomorrow off, so I'm also only supposed to work 20 hours a week, and we've definitely worked over that, so doing great. I also did some plant stuff. I was watering my roommate's plants. Check these out. He's got a very nice string of hearts. That's hard to see. It's very long, and it's flowering, which I think is kind of rare. But they look really cool. They don't smell or anything. Yeah, taking care of that. This is actually a plant that I gave him. It's from the big one that I have in my window. This Monstera, I don't know. It needs some work. Got a yellow leaf here. And then He's got some other ones here. Yeah, just taking care of his plants. I'm gonna sign out and go to bed. I'm tired. It is 12:30 in the morning. I need some rest, do what's right, and you will see me tomorrow.